Your VW Golf key fob from 1998 to 2011 likely uses a CR2032 battery. First, identify your fob model. MK4 fobs from 1998 to 2004 are generally bulkier than later versions. To open, locate the seam or clip, typically at the keyring end. Use a small, preferably plastic tool like a screwdriver or coin to gently pry it open. If it's stuck, especially in humid climates, warm the case with a hairdryer for 10 to 15 seconds to loosen any aged adhesive. Avoid using excessive force or metal tools to prevent damage to the plastic casing. Once the fob is open, note the battery's orientation. The positive side should face up for most CR2032 batteries. Remove the old CR2032 battery carefully. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, matching the original orientation. Reassemble the fob case, ensuring it snaps shut securely. Test the remote by pressing the buttons while standing 5 to 10 feet from your VW Golf. If the remote still doesn't work, the issue is likely not the battery. Clean any corroded contacts with isopropyl alcohol. Check that the contact spring for the battery is not bent, and if it is, gently straighten it with tweezers. If problems continue, consider purchasing a programmable aftermarket key fob. Remember to recycle the old lithium battery properly to protect the environment.